Oh no, I forgot this water on my windowsill again. It looks terrible. Let's see what is living inside this time. Wait, look closely. They are huge. What's that? Let's use my microscope and my phone to find out. Look at the screen, turn the focus, and boom! Look at this monster running around. This is a Paramecium. In my country, we call it the sleeper organism because it looks like a shoe. It's only one cell, but it acts like a real animal. How does it move? Look at the edges. It has thousands of tiny hairs. They works like oars on a boat. But what is it doing? It is hunting. It eats thousands of bacteria every day. It has a tiny mouth right here. Watch this. It just swallowed a smaller guy. Wow. Look at this guy. No job, no taxes. Just swimming and eating all day. Honestly, I think humans evolved in the wrong direction. This slipper lives in a drop of water. It thinks this water is a whole universe. It doesn't know I am watching it. Now I wonder, is someone watching us right now from a giant microscope? My wife told me to clean my windowsill, but look, I didn't clean it, and now I'm a creator of a new civilization. So technically, being lazy is just a scientific experiment. Yeah, nature is crazy. A whole universe inside one dirty drop of water. If you like this video, drop a like and subscribe. See ya!